Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 network cable tester. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Network Cable Tester. The Noyafa NF8209's Network Cable Tracker is a practical and reliable tool for network installation and troubleshooting. It features an LCD display that clearly shows cable length, wire mapping, and faults, making diagnostics fast and accurate. The cable tracker function easily traces LAN cables through walls or bundles. With solid build quality and simple operation, it's ideal for technicians, installers, and users who need efficient network testing at an affordable price. Number 2. Network Cable Tester. The Tooltop Network Cable Tester is a versatile 4-in-1 solution for network and fiber maintenance. It combines a fiber optical power meter, visual fault locator, LAN line tracker, and cable tester in one compact device. The noise-free line tracking works accurately even in busy environments. Its clear display and simple controls make testing fast and reliable. Ideal for technicians, it saves time, improves troubleshooting efficiency, and delivers professional-grade performance at a practical value. Number 3. Network Cable Tester. The original Noyafa NF8601W is a powerful multifunction network cable tester designed for professionals. It supports RJ45, RJ11, BNC, and PoE testing, along with ping and crosstalk detection for accurate troubleshooting. The cable tracking function quickly identifies wires and complex setups, saving time and effort. With a clear display, reliable performance, and wide compatibility, it's an excellent tool for network installation, maintenance, and diagnostics in both home and professional environments. Number 4. Network Cable Tester. The Unity UT685B Kit Network Cable Tester is a reliable and versatile tool for network installation and maintenance. It supports RJ45 and RJ11 cables, offering accurate wire mapping, TDR cable length measurement, and PoE detection. The built-in cable tracker helps quickly locate cables without noise interference. With a clear display and durable build, it's suitable for both professionals and beginners who need efficient troubleshooting for LAN and telecom networks. Number 5. Network Cable Tester. The Noyafa NF8508 Network Cable Tester is a versatile and reliable tool for network installation and maintenance. It accurately traces cables, measures wire length, checks PoE, and identifies faults with a clear LCD display. The optical wire meter and digital line finder improve efficiency, while the rechargeable battery adds convenience. Easy to use and highly practical, it's ideal for technicians, installers, and IT professionals needing fast, accurate network diagnostics. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.